Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to amaze your friends and family members with the power of hypnosis? My friend, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. You must be wondering how it is done. And you really wanted to learn it. Now good news is you can learn it from home. My friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 1977. I have traveled all over the world. I have trained more than 500,000 people all over the world in 180 countries. Now, my friend, to learn hypnosis from home, you don't need to come out and attend the workshop in Hyderabad, which I used to conduct workshop, 2 full-day workshop in Hyderabad. People used to come from all over India and abroad to attend the workshop. Now, being a coronavirus period, you don't need to come out of your house. You can learn it from home. The good news is I am conducting a very simple but very powerful workshop on WhatsApp. 28 days workshop. Yes, it's a 28 days workshop, practical workshop. It's a video workshop. Remember, it is a video workshop which you will learn by watching me doing the things. Now, in this workshop, you are going to learn by watching me. Some of the clippings were from my live seminar, some of the clipping which you have recorded for YouTube also, and from just for this workshop, we have recorded some demos. In this workshop, I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will do it. Within 4-5 days only, you started having fun with hypnosis with yourself and family members. You cannot go out right now because the coronavirus and lockdown period. Now, in this workshop, you will also learn some very powerful technique. Let me tell you what you are going to learn. You will learn what hypnosis is, how it is done, the theory about hypnosis. Then you will learn hypnotic imagination games, very powerful techniques. Then, not one, many of them I'll give you a demo and then explain to you, and then you can start doing it on others. Plus, while I'm teaching you, you can do it on yourself. And then you will learn simple hypnotic inductions, many of them, not 1 or 2, around 8 to 10 or maybe more videos you will watch where I explain to you how a person can be hypnotized and what are the symptoms of hypnosis and how you will know they are hypnotized. Simple inductions. And then you will come into instant induction, which you might have seen in the videos on the YouTube. You will learn, and you might have seen many of my videos where I am giving a demonstration. So you learn step by step, and then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis, hypnotic pain control, plus I'll give you at least 5 techniques to do a content-free therapy. Content-free therapy means people don't need to tell what their problem is, they have to think in their mind and you can run the process and they will be healed. And all this technique doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You will see me in my live seminar where I'm teaching people and doing on them, and you can watch and learn and do it. This is a practical workshop. Why practical? Because I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will watch me doing it, and then you will practice on yourself and others. Plus, you will learn self-hypnosis also. Now, my friend, in this workshop, you will get a manual which we normally give to my participants who come to attend my workshop all over the world. You will get a PDF of it, plus many more handouts. Now, this is a practical workshop. You will learn how hypnosis for fun, profit, and fame. How you will have fun, profit, and fame? Fun by doing hypnosis demos. Profit, you can do hypnotherapy. You can teach self-hypnosis, relieve their stress, anxiety, fear, and phobia. A lot of things you can do, which you learn by doing it, watching me in the workshop there. And then we will become famous, because when you go to somewhere, meet some people and started doing these hypnotic fun things, the hypnotic fun thing like imagination game, and then hypnotizing them, you will become popular. So my friend, this workshop is happening on WhatsApp. That means every day you will get a video lesson from me. I'll explain to you what we are going to do, then show you, and then you watch it and practice. It is not a theory class like just talking somebody and giving you some paper. It is a practical workshop. You will feel like you are attending my live training program in Hyderabad. Number 1, my 500,000 people, 500,000 students, they tell everybody that I am the best hypnotist and I teach things very simple and easy. By watching me, they have become hypnotists. And many of my students have become already trainers in hypnosis. They are already doing motivational trainings after attending my workshop, and many of them started hypnotherapy clinics. So you can also do it, my friend. So you must be wondering what is the fees for the workshop. Normally, people come to Hyderabad to take a flight and come here. They pay me my 10,000 plus GST, around 13,000 rupees, plus they spend money on their flight and they stay in the hotel. They end up spending 30 to 40,000 rupees. Now, this workshop is not 30,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 30,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 15,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 10,000 rupees, which we normally charge for 2-day workshop plus GST. You don't even need to pay 5,000 rupees, my friend. You don't even need to pay 2,500, my friend. The fees is only 1100 plus GST. That comes to 1298, 1,298. That's all, my friend. The fees is only 1,298. The workshop fees for 28 days, except Sundays, the 28 working days. You'll get a bonus material or bonus videos, downloadable links you'll get for 5,000 rupees. And in this workshop, what you are going to get, let me tell you, you are going to get 80 HD quality videos. This is not like a normal video somebody has taken from mobile. This is a HD professional quality videos where you will get 19 imagination games, 12 rapid inductions, 7 instant inductions, and then you will get 3 videos for converting imagination game into instant hypnosis, and you will get 5 videos for therapy techniques. 5 different techniques you will get there, and you get 4 PDF. Now what is the 4 PDF? One, you will get this manual which we normally give into the workshop, but you will get as an e-book. You have to take a printout, and this manual is approximately 65 pages plus 3 more PDFs you will get. That will be small handouts that also will get, plus you will get a certificate. Now this will be e-certificate and you will get it on your mobile, so you can take a printout, nicely done, signed by me, so you can practice hypnosis later on easily. So my friend, if you really want to become a powerful hypnotist, you want to have fun and with your family member, want to heal people or make money or become more popular, immediately register right now. There is a Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay number. You can immediately do it with that and send us a screenshot on the number given below. Or if you want to do it with a credit card, go to my website, use PayUmoney button. Now remember, only use credit card. Don't try to use with a Paytm and Google Pay and make the payment on PayUmoney. Your money may get stuck. Remember, only with the credit card. Use PayUmoney, and if you're out of India, it is $25. The PayPal button is also there in our website. You can register through that and send us an email or send a screenshot on our mobile number which is given below, and we are going to have lot of fun, my friend. It's a practical workshop where I will be giving a demo, explain, and then you learn and do it, and you can do it from your home now. Now workshop is starting on 9th of December, 28-day workshop, WhatsApp workshop. First lesson you will get on the first day at 9 p.m. After that you will get lesson between 5 to 6 p.m. every day except holidays and Sundays. It's 28 days working day workshop. Okay. Now workshop is starting and the bonus is available. The bonus offer which is given below, check it, is available till 6th of December only. So register right now. You can use Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, number given below. Or if you want to use the credit card, go to my website. There is a PayUmoney button. But remember, PayUmoney button, only use it with the credit card. Don't try anything else, otherwise your money will get stuck. Our bank detail is also there on the page. You can transfer and send us the screenshot on the number given below, not the payment button, the other number given below. So we'll immediately add you in the main group. The main group where we'll be sending you lessons every day. So see you on 9. Thank you.